Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. We're gonna get into the backlog pile because I'm running way behind on my backlog pile. Got a pile of wrenches, sockets, ratchets, so forth. Got a little bit of this, that, and everything going on with it. So we're gonna grab a ratchet, see if we can clean it up, make it work right. Don't know if this is one of them that kind of works or it's one that's locked up. So I'm just gonna randomly grab one, and that's what we're gonna work with. So if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. So the next ratchet we're going to work on, this little guy. I don't think it's going to need a whole lot. Cool thing, Jcpenny. I've seen and heard other people with Jcpenny wrenches and sockets. I think I got a wrench, a socket, a universal, and a ratchet. So let's go other side of the desk here, take it apart, clean it up, see what we can do with it. And yep, that's my failure. That's my failure. This will be a later one. I got to find a new retaining ring. So much dirt and crud up in it. It snapped, but it comes apart. I will make this work. I just need a new retaining ring for it. See if I can avoid breaking this one too. Not seeing a whole lot of junk in there, other than being grimy and a little thick. It's moving. Oh, gotta get my. Oh, this one full of grime too. Wish me luck that I don't break another one. Well, that's not good. Yeah, it's not releasing. Daggone it. Okay. I has an idea. Oh, that is thick and grimy. See if that'll help get some of the crud out. And if you're curious, I got a gallon bottle of WD-40. I just put some in a zip spray bottle. I was hoping that would get in there and maybe free the crud up so I don't break another ring. Not releasing. Seems like it's got some good squeeze in there. Better find that sweet spot to get it to release. It's trying to lift. I'm not doing good, guys. I probably should have just not attempted any of this tonight. There we go. Hot dog, hot dog. Ooh. Probably been 20 minutes just watching me laugh. Everybody laugh at me fight with this thing. Yeah, it's in good shape. Oh yeah, this is gunked and grimed. A lot of gunk and grime. I think my WD-40 helped get in this crud because it's oozing pretty good. Oh yeah, look at all that crud in there. And I wonder why the ring didn't want to come up. Look at that. Go figure why that ring wouldn't. Guys, this is why you don't just leave grease, grime, and crud on your tools. Just throw it in the box, call it good enough. Take the extra 10, 15 minutes and clean your tools before you put them away. Because later on, when you need to service it, you're screwed if you don't. Or you end up with a pile of grit, grime, rust, crust down in there. Then you're trying to hit it with a wrench, ratchet, impact. All you're doing is metal on metal and just destroying the insides. I've had to toss a few sockets that I went to work on because the inside was destroyed. Other than the grime here, there really isn't a whole lot of grime down in there. Just old grease up in this. I think this can be firebombed. Of course, I don't know when they did that, whether it was the 60s, 70s, 80s. I don't remember in the 80s Jcpenny's having tools, but anytime I went to Jcpenny's, it was always because I had to get a daggone dress shirt or pants because we had to go somewhere fancy. So let's move that off to the side. Yeah, it's just slimy grime. It works great though. Really does. Look at all the ooze out. Let that ooze out. Yeah, it didn't take much to clean. At least light cleaning. And that's all I'm going to do is firebomb it, move it back and forth. Just let it work the ooze out. I'll do that in a bit. So let's tidy this piece up just a hair, get it over to the other bench, see if I can make this look better like I have sockets and wrenches and stuff. Hopefully I don't do any damage to it. Let's go after that next. That way. Oh, let's make a little noise. Tidy that up just a hair. Don't need to chunk up my hand. Definitely looks better. I think I'm only do a white work on this side, a little bit on this, nothing on the back side because it kind of has that, I guess I call it pebbled finish. Leave that as is. That's pebbled. Yeah, so it's just a nameplate, the neck, and the tail. So hopefully I don't screw it up too bad. Well, definitely not where I normally put this thing. Like I said before, I've had a very long week at work, so the brain ain't braining. Not too bad, not too good. Just kind of there. That's not bad. Works for me there. Yeah, I don't want to knock that a little, I guess I caught pebbling off. Not bad. Works for me. Now we just gotta. Not bad. Got a lot of wear spots on it. Much better. Slide you over just a hair. Hopefully I don't hit something. Try to make it look a little better. Definitely better. Pause this. I'm kind of back. Woo, got toasty. Well, not bad. See if I can do a little bit more at the next station. All right, we're back over to the disaster area. Still haven't cleaned it up. Oh, popcorn bowl looks a lot better. Still got some polish on it a little bit because I was trying to make that look a little better. Inside is looking pretty good. Just needed. Oops. Uh-oh. I have done. I'm sure everybody's laughing or already fell asleep. That's what I should have done. I should have just went to bed. But after a long work week, I just had to get something done. Really wasn't anything that could have got in there because it was just over at the wire wheel and the buff and the fiber wheels, but I don't want debris up inside it. If that makes any sense. So inside's good, nice and tidy. Ooh, I'm gonna buzz this up. Not gonna do a whole lot, just lube it up when I'm done. Try to get some of the residual crud off. I'm sure you already noticed I'd already worked on this. Didn't video it, but I cleaned it up already. Just doing last little light touch. This I don't think is going to shine because this is some weird, I don't know, almost like pot metal. I'm trying to get some of that off my hands. Okay, I'm back. I had to get some of that because it had WD. It had all sorts of crud on it. That's why I think this is more like pot metal, pressed metal, because you see it doesn't shine up and it just even left gray on my fingers. So I'm going to switch this, pick that up, put that there. Oh, that's nice. Got WD all over everything. Didn't realize it spit that way. Just want it to look a little bit better. Get a quick wipe down real quick. Put a little on the head. Get it. See if I can do anything with that. We can put this back together. Everybody can laugh at me putting it back together. Okay, close enough, good enough. This ain't been going on way too long. Give it a quick wipe down. Get any residual polish out of any cracks, crevices. Sorry, I know I took this off camera, but got to be able to see what I'm doing. there. That'll work. This'll work. This'll work. This'll work. Now with these, because of the way they're... Oh, I did it again. These, because of the way they're built, I don't want to dismantle them. So they can be taken apart. They're just not, for me, the easiest. But I usually just put oil in them. I don't put any thick, what was it, super lube, whatever Snap-on sends with their stuff. I've used that in other ratchets, but it's just my personal thing. This series, just oil it. If I'm doing it wrong, tell me. But for the most part, it just seems like it works better for me. But if I should put something thicker, like a super lube, like a little bit in there, by all means, let me know. Now the fun part. Put that upside down. Not too bad. Not the greatest, but come on. Now time for everybody to start laughing at me again, because I'm not good at putting these stupid things back together. Oh, almost had it. I think. Maybe. Probably not. Come on. Gotta go like that. Almost. Come on. It's not dropping in for me. Okay. I think I've gone on for like 4 hours. Get my butt kicked, but I'm enjoying doing this. This one's just being a stubborn mule. It's not seated. At least I don't think it is. Seems like it's just, yeah, I think it's just a hair up. Yep. See how it pushed in. There we go. I'll take it. Dumb luck. Absolute dumb luck. But now she's running smooth again. So let's pause it. Welcome back to the 8-hour giggle fest over watching me play with a wrench, a ratchet. So here she is. 3531 Jcpenny. Nice and tidy. As you see, not bad. Not my best work, but it's functional, it's usable, and it's an awesome addition. Jcpenny. And it works so easy. Appreciate everybody that watches, everybody that subscribes. Good luck in the hunt. Sorry it took so long.